Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! Whether you're lifting weights, running on the treadmill, or stretching, knowing the right words will help you navigate any fitness center in Slovakia. Today, in Linguarte, we'll show you useful vocabulary, verbs, and phrases at the gym in Slovak language. Let's start! Začíname! First, let's go over some essential words at the gym. Telocvičňa, posilňovňa, or fitko. Like exercise, cvičenie. Workout, tréning. Member, člen. Membership, členstvo. Weight, váha. Weightlifting, vzpieranie. Treadmill, bežiaci pás. Dumbbell, činka. Barbell, osa alebo veľká činka. Kettlebell, pull-up bar, hrazda. Bench, lavička. Bench press, tlaky na lavičke. Warm-up, rozcvička. Stretching, naťahovanie alebo stretching. Cardio, Set, série. Repetition, opakovanie. Strength training, silový tréning. Rest, oddych. Hydration, hydratácia. Personal trainer, osobný tréner. Condition or stamina, kondícia. Some important body parts to train at the gym are muscles, svaly, abs, brucho, legs, nohy, arms, ruky, biceps, biceps, triceps, triceps, glutes, zadok, quads, quadriceps, thighs, stehna, core, jadro. Some important verbs to use at the gym are to train or to work out, trénovať alebo cvičiť. To lift weights, dvíhať činky. To get fit, dostať sa do formy. To stay in shape, zostať fit. To breathe, dýchať. To repeat, opakovať. To run, bežať. To stretch, naťahovať sa. To sweat, potiť sa. To do squats, robiť drepy. To do push-ups, robiť kluky. To lose weight, schudnúť. To gain muscle, naberať svaly. To rest, oddychovať. To hydrate, hydratovať. Some useful phrases are: Is this machine free? Je tento stroj voľný? Can I use this bench? Môžem použiť túto lavičku? How many sets do you have left? Koľko sérií ti ešte ostáva? What exercises do you recommend for arms? Aké cviky odporúčaš na ruky? I need to warm up first. Najprv sa musím rozcvičiť. Let's train together. Poďme spolu trénovať. Now it's your time to practice. Try to say the following words in Slovak. Muscles, svaly, workout, tréning, to rest. Oddychovať. Great job! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!